Welcome back to Little Gretchen's Workshop. Can I just say thank you to all those of you who have been watching and all those of you who have already subscribed. And even if you haven't subscribed but you've been watching, I do appreciate that, definitely. Can I just say that I am having so much fun. I'm enjoying this channel so much, just producing the content for it, getting everything together for you all, preparing for the weeks ahead. I just want to tell you I appreciate you, and I'm having a really great time doing this. So I'm looking forward to enjoying the space with you all, enjoying sharing, and definitely come back because I'm going to try to post at least twice a week something that I've made, or whether I got something in the mail for the Rooming Dollhouse, any updates, little items that I make. So I'm looking forward to sharing all that with you. So again, thanks so much for watching Little Gretchen's Workshop. Let's get to the video. So this is that back hallway, the one I referenced as the dormer side of the house. So yeah, I've got the floor installed, the wallpaper is up. I'm really loving the doors and how that all came out. Got the light installed, and yeah, it looks really good to me. The funny part is it looks like somebody's been cleaning up. So I guess the dolls have been at work back here, gathering, getting things together. So just check another room. All right, so that's the bedroom that had the big yellow candle in it and had the pink wallpaper on it. So yeah, that's all up, and looks like they've been cleaning in here as well. So let me get out of their way and let them do what they want to do to this area. But my main focus was that back hall area because it was looking so bad. But this room is looking really, really great. I'm really pleased with how this side is coming and how it's looking. Oh, and notice the embossed paper on the ceiling. Yeah, that covered up some of the damage on the wood as well. So I'm feeling really, really good about the way this turned out. So I want to focus on another part of the house to just kind of let you know what I'm doing next. So this is the room next door to that hallway, and it needs quite a bit of work. It's got that wall. I actually closed up a doorway there. I sealed it off and I had to patch it. You can't see it from the other side, but that's what happened there. So I do have quite a bit of work to do in here, the ceilings, and I need to trim out that opening to where the ladder goes. That needs to be cleaned up really, so it'll just look a lot better. And so yeah, I got to install the floor. So I've got quite a bit of work to do in here. I've started to choose or look at some of my options for wallpaper. Okay, and I'm considering this. I like that floral. Looks kind of vintage, old-fashioned, and it has a really nice heavy weight to it. And I think that it'll really look good in this room. So I was working on cutting the templates for that. Now, I think I showed you, yeah, well, the floors in this bedroom are the same as they were in the other room. It's the dark stain. Now, this door is a little bit lighter. I kind of like it. I like it a little bit different because I feel like something like that would have been authentic to an old house. Some of the woods may not be exactly the same because possibly been replaced, stripped, redone. So I think I may leave it like that, but I'll still think about that. But I do think this paper will cover good. I'm going to sand that patch spot a little bit more. I'm definitely going to use embossed paper on the ceiling. And yeah, I got to actually, put trim around the windows and the door as well. So I got my work cut out for me. So I will bring you back and give you updates as I work on this particular room. And yeah, so if you're enjoying these videos regarding the Rooming House Dollhouse, let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm uploading more video of the renovation of the Rooming House Dollhouse. I sure have enjoyed you dolls today. Thank you so much for watching Little Gretchen's workshop. Take care, dolls. Bye-bye.